Cornell Cooperative Extension Allegany County presents Indoor Herb Gardening, the mini-series. Episode 8. How to Harvest Indoor Herbs. It sounds easy, just go and cut your herbs, but you need to do it in the right way if you want to keep harvesting over and over again. This is the best time of the process. Finally, we can enjoy our homegrown herbs. So how to do it? First, timing. Harvest in the morning when the leaves are most flavorful and aromatic. Keep planting seeds or cutting frequently to have a constant harvest all year round. Couple tips for a good harvest. Frequent harvesting promotes bush hair growth and prevents herbs from becoming leggy. Always use clean, sharp scissors or pruners to make clean cuts. For leafy herbs like basil, mint, and parsley, cut stems just above a leaf node. What is a leaf node? Is where the leaves meet the stem. And avoid cutting more than 1/3 of the plant at once to prevent stressing it. The idea is to keep harvesting unless you plan to harvest only once. Remove flower buds if you want to prolong leaf production. You want leaves instead of flowers. Woody herbs like rosemary and thyme can be trimmed more sparingly and focus on snipping new and tender growth. And use fresh cut herbs right away for the best flavor, or you can dry or freeze them for later use. This is the best part. Keep learning about herbs. Watch our next episode, How to Preserve and Use Herbs.